In 2013, Jungheinrich celebrated its 60th anniversary. One highlight of the celebrations was the first Hamburg Intralogistics Summit. At the top-class event, attended by international logistics experts, the discussion focused on new trends and perspectives across the industry. Jungheinrich has set the stage for the future. And with 3 major investment projects, it has established the conditions for further growth. Last August, in only 60 hours, from Friday evening until Monday morning, the Jungheinrich team transferred around 45,000 spare parts from Norderstedt to the new spare parts center in Kaltenkirchen. Based on a new logistics concept, Jungheinrich, as general contractor, developed and realized the spare parts center in Kaltenkirchen entirely on its own. It is a good example of what Jungheinrich can offer as a provider of logistics systems. With more than 65,000 inventory items in storage, up to 1,000 assembled positions per hour, delivered quickly and reliably overnight, we ensure our customers' processes run smoothly and thereby guarantee their success. The future of spare part management means firstly becoming even faster in Europe, and this location will help us achieve that. It also means increasing availability. We want to achieve 98% availability with this location, and of course we also want to help Jungheinrich grow, which means using this location to better reach our markets outside Europe, particularly Russia, Asia and South America. Reliable spare parts logistics combined with first-class technicians on location. This is what makes Jungheinrich's customer service stand apart. On the 8th of August in Qingpu, Shanghai, a new production plant was inaugurated. The number 8 has a special significance in China, standing for wealth and success.
The opening ceremony of Jungheinrich Qingpu is beginning now.
In true Hanseatic tradition, a ship's bell was presented as a gift. With the chime of the bell, the factory was symbolically opened. It was built according to modern ecological standards and has an over 36,000 square meter production area, where industrial trucks are developed according to European standards and specially produced for the Asian market in Jungheinrich quality. Pedestrian forklift trucks, electric counterbalance lift trucks and reach trucks, manufactured for the entire Asia-Pacific region and sold by a highly qualified team. Since September, following a construction period of only 16 months, the forklift trucks have been built in the world's most advanced warehousing and system equipment production plant in Degernpoint near Moosburg. It can now manufacture over 3,000 vehicles a year. Jungheinrich already leads the European market in warehousing and system equipment, and with the new plant, can now meet the growing demand in the expanding markets of Asia, South America and Eastern Europe. Russia, the Earth's greatest landmass, is among the most dynamic regions for business in the world. Its economic modernization is running at full blast. Jungheinrich has had a sales and service company in Russia for the past 10 years. With a widely spread service network, its 4 subsidiaries look after well-known national and international customers. Perm, in the Ural Mountains, 1,800 kilometers from Moscow. Here, Henkel, a manufacturer of washing detergent, operates its production site. It boasts a fully automated channel racking warehouse, racks serving cranes, shuttle vehicles and materials handling technology, controlled by the Jungheinrich warehouse management system and implemented by Jungheinrich. When choosing the project partner for our warehouse in Perm, an important consideration was, apart from the question of costs, having a high level of flexibility. We work around the clock 7 days a week. Jungheinrich has optimized our logistics system, which has dramatically shortened our transportation routes. An extremely complex facility situated on the eastern edge of Europe, an example of the variety of opportunities. Support is also provided by colleagues from Germany. The founding of the company Jungheinrich Logistiksysteme GmbH has combined the existing fields of logistics systems and warehouse and system equipment. This has focused the company's expertise as a full-service provider of intralogistics solutions, giving us an edge over our competitors that we are continuing to develop. Our many years of experience and intensive dialogue with customers enable us to identify areas of business that are becoming more important. The new division, Energy and Drive Systems, is taking account of increasing demand for alternative drives and innovative energy systems.
Energy and Drive
Systems provide system solutions for control units, charging technology, lithium-ion batteries and electric drive systems, and is also a partner for our customers' development projects. Our products and services are implemented in Jungheinrich vehicles around the world. This expertise is also made available to industries outside of the material handling business. This is reflected in the continuous development of lithium-ion technology, which Jungheinrich has already brought to series production. Lithium-ion batteries don't need to be changed. During 3-shift operation, normal lead-acid batteries need to be exchanged regularly. Thanks to the rapid charging of Li, this exchange is no longer necessary because the batteries are charged during every break. That means we can do without the battery changeover equipment, and that saves us a lot of money. With the auto pallet mover, Jungheinrich is also emphasizing its ambitious goals in the field of driverless transport systems. For our auto pallet mover, we use Jungheinrich standard vehicles, which already have a very high level of security. We equip them with a navigation system and a security system, which encompasses the whole vehicle like a protective cage. Auto pallet movers are designed for use in constantly recurring in-house transport services, like at the spice manufacturer AVO in Belm near Osnabrück, where the operators are striving for greater flexibility and higher efficiency. Almost half of all the industrial trucks on the world market are forklifts with internal combustion engines. With a completely new generation of diesel and gas-powered forklifts with hydrodynamic drive, known as converters, Jungheinrich wants to increase its market position. The robust forklifts are equipped with high-end, long-lasting components, with tried and tested industry-standard motors, as well as Jungheinrich innovations, such as chassis, steering axles, and the new lift mast concept. We've built the new 3 and 4 series diesel and LPG powered forklifts in line with the demands of the world market. With the 3 and 4 series, we provide the customer with a robust, reliable and simple vehicle, and in the premium quality they expect from Jungheinrich. In extensive field tests in our target markets, this promise was put to the test. Turkey, an important hub for trade between Europe and the Middle East. Here, IC-powered forklifts have a 40% market share, making it a market with high growth potential, also for Jungheinrich. The long-standing Jungheinrich customer Altin Marga has been extensively testing a new diesel-powered forklift from Series 4 in its cocoa and chocolate production facility. We have a total of 26 Jungheinrich vehicles in operation. A large number of them are used in the production department. The rest are used in logistics. We're very satisfied with our partnership with Jungheinrich, and we hope to employ even more vehicles. We think the machines are excellent, and the same can be said for the perfect service.
Servislerinden son derece memnunuz.
At the start of February, journalists could finally take an exclusive first look at the new generation converters at Munich Airport. Around 80 trade journalists from 21 countries attended the International Jungheinrich Trade Press Conference in Munich, learning about trends in intralogistics and news from the company. In mid-May, with an impressive opening event held in front of some 1,400 Jungheinrich salesmen and distribution partners, the company kicked off the world's leading intralogistics fair, CeMAT 2014. It delighted the audience of international professionals and the high-caliber jury, who honored the Jungheinrich EFG S40S with the International Forklift Truck of the Year award. With over 130 products and 24 innovations on display, including tow train solutions, automated industrial trucks for complex warehouse systems, new generations of forklifts, Jungheinrich's lithium-ion solutions, as well as wireless data communication, the stacker guidance system, logistics interfaces, the Jungheinrich WMS warehouse management system, and the fleet management system ISM Online. We showed how Jungheinrich has become an intralogistics benchmark. An incredible team performance.